Hello, I'm Brett Knowles from PM Squared Consulting. This is a very quick overview of our award-winning 5-day OKR workshop. This workshop takes chunks of your organization from where you currently are to having implemented an operational OKRs inside of 5 days. Day 1 is about capturing your existing strategic priorities. We do that through a strategy map, listing your core strategic objectives, their cause and effect relationship, and weightings. Based on that, we can then assess the linkage between what people do and your strategy. We do this through a process called ontology, where we take your strategic objectives and rate the impact of each of your core processes on those objectives to identify the key performance nodes in your organization. This is done with a small cross-functional team within the scope of the OKRs. Day 3 is about setting your specific objectives and key results. So in this case, if we take a process like ticket sales, you can see that there are 3 critical performance nodes. And so for the first node, we might have a relationship between ticket sales and profitability around increasing our returning revenue with a specific number and time, increasing the customer growth rate, and so on. So department, process level, objectives, and key results. Then the next step is to take that down to the individual, agree on accountability, role clarity, and write the specific OKRs. The 5th day is all about setting up the weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, quarterly, and annual reporting cycles, and then turning it on. If you want to learn more about our OKR process, drop by our website. If you'd like to know more about the Executive Suite, here's a series of videos you can watch. And finally, if you'd like to talk to us about your OKR project, please just book a meeting with this link.